So let's just code in this video. Okay, so I told you that this is basically your, okay, this part is not, this part is extra. See here, this is the thing that we need to return this size. Okay, now let's see, let's first write the base case. What is the base case? If in case my string is this, like, what is the name? Okay, s dot size equal 0. What does this mean? That means I told you that, let me write here, abc is something I'm searching for. I have an empty string, so this was there, then 2 to the power 3 was my answer. So here 3 was basically the length of the string, so here it's gonna be 0, so it's gonna be 1, so it's gonna have length 1. Okay, let's see how we'll get it. And for that, let me write, before that, let me write bc will also get break into this. Okay, because I'll be requiring this right now, and this I'm just writing it, I guess. ABC will be break into whatever is given by this. Okay, CBBC plus what else? A C B B C. Okay, I'll just show it to you. For that, let's first do this base case. Okay, so base case is basically, see, I'm saying we need to return 1, so it'll be like, okay, output of 0. Output is basically a array, right? So output of 0 will basically become, we'll see how we'll pass the array. Just now we'll see. Okay, and return the size. The size is now 1. It's been returned. Now we can assume that, hey, recursion, you go and bring the substring. Okay, so if in case I have abc, then it will bring me the substring of bc. Okay, so how do we give it? As +1, and also the output array. Till here I can expect that I'll be getting my substring of bc. Okay, I can expect this, right? Right, bc will see, abc was the answer. I told that, hey, recursion, go and bring the answer to this. So you can assume that this will be brought by recursion. Okay, trust recursion. Okay, it will bring the answer. Okay, assume this is the assumption part, right? After base case, I'm writing the assumption part. Trust recursion will bring the answer. Now what you need to do in this answer, okay, whatever answer is there, just add these 4 more values. Okay, so let's say the answer is basically this bc at index 0 1 2 3. So at index 4 I have to add, just concatenate with this. Okay, here, so just add a in front of empty string. At index 5 add a in front of whatever is at index 1, so ac. Next, basically you need to add at index c, what you take in front of b, add a. Okay, and at last index, that means at last index 7, at bc, whatever it is, just add a to it, and you're gonna get your answer as this is gonna be your output. Okay, let's see how it done. First of all, you can do one more thing. If in case you don't want to pass like this, you can do like, let's pass small. You should usually pass like small substring, because I need to pass substring, right? Let's not pass the address, let's pass this substring. So we can give like this string small substring. And I think we already have seen how to do the substring part here. How do I give the substring? I need to give from index 1 to the end. So how do we give? What is the name of the something? It's s, so s dot substring from 1 onward, so 1 to end. Okay, and I'm passing it specifically here, and output array I'm passing. Okay, so this is gonna bring me the substring of bc. After that, I'm coming here and I'm like, okay, bc has been brought. Now I'm like, okay, bc is brought, that's great. And actually this is gonna give me an integer, so let's take here small answer size. Okay, that means the size of my small output I have found here. So now you can do here the thing. Okay, I found the small size is great. Go till here for int I equal to 0, I less than, let's go till this part. Okay, I'll show you why do we need the size now. I'll show you now only. I'm using here I plus plus, now here we are gonna go 4 times because we need to add 4 more values, right? So here I'll be receiving in my small size, small answer size 4. So I'll be like this, okay? So in my, what is the output array? Okay, output array is this. So in my output array, PUT output array of, I want to go and put at index 4, right? I just saw now only till index 3 is filled. Till index 3 I'm gonna get filled. So at index 4 I want to put A. I want to put A. So I can write like this: output of, first of all, I plus, if I somehow write like this, what is this? This value is 4. Okay, let's say I'm writing at this. Okay, so this value is 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. So at this fourth index, what I'm gonna put? I'm gonna put whatever is basically this. How will I access this? I'll access this by as 0, right? As is the substring. So as 0, okay, plus whatever is the value at output of 0. Okay, makes sense? Next part, output of 0 means at output of I. Okay, then I'll be actually getting this value. To get this value, next time I value will be 1. So output of index 5, this here, okay, and whatever is at index s of 0. So A is there, and here also output of 1. So at output of 1, what is there? C is there, so this will be added. Makes sense? Next I will be again plus plus, I will be 2. So at index 6, what value we need to put? Whatever is at s of 0, okay, create A plus whatever is at output of now 2. What is the output of 2? B will be there. So this. Next again afterwards, output of 3, because I value will be 3 now. 3 is less than 4, right? We're going, even we're checking the condition. I is basically 3. 3 is less than small size. So yes, it is true. Go there at index 7. Put whatever is in my s of 0, A is there, and put after that whatever is at an output of 3. So what is the output of 3? BC. So BC will put, and we will be getting our ABC. Okay. After this also we'll do the dry run. Okay. Once, let's first finish the code. Let's finish the code. I'm saying that put here I plus, again, okay, whatever is the size to get the index, okay, equal to what we need. Put whatever value is at s of 0 plus output of 0. Sorry, not 0, output of I. Okay, I hope it's making sense. A plus, empty string will be A plus, B will be AB, A plus C will be AC, and A plus BC will be ABC. Okay, so this all will be added out here. Okay, once I come out of this for loop, everything is added. After this, I just need to do one thing, that is basically this: return the size. What is size now? The size is increased by 2. Whatever was the size, it got increased by 2, right? Just return this. Okay, and everything will be handled. Okay, we'll just do the dry run now only. Before that, let's just even print it out. Okay, so let me use here. So let's create a string here, strng string s, whose value, let's take it from the user. Okay, next is we need an array of strings. So string, array of string. Okay, let's name it as output. So let's create it dynamically. So new string. Okay, if you want to do this, you can do this. Okay, make sense? This is basically pointing to the new strings array. And let's keep the size as, see, you can give the size actually should be 8. Okay, because we have only 8 output, but right now let's give it 100. Okay, assuming that the array size can never pass more than 100. You can give 1000 also, it's fine. Okay, just giving 100 right now. You should actually give the size based on the number of the length. Okay, so if the length is 3, then 3 to the power 3, that means 8 or something like this. Okay, but right now let's just take 100, it's fine. Okay, 100 will actually take care of all of the outputs values. Okay, so after this, we just have to call this function. What is the function's name? Substring of string. Call this with 3 values. What are the values? First you're going to give s, secondly you are giving your output. Are we giving anything else? No, only we need these 2 things. Okay, and we are actually returning your integer, so we need to actually store out here. So let me store here answer as this. Now let's see what we are going to get if we print the output. Right now output was just created, I passed it, and obviously I would have received everything in my output. Okay, okay, because it's making changes at the same address. Great. After that, let's print it out and let's see. For int I equal to 0, I less than the size of the output. How am I getting the size of the output? Through this answer, right? So let's just go to the answer only. It's fine. Okay, then I plus plus, print the value of output of I, and let's give a space. Okay, let's see this. Let's see whether this is working or not. So let's see. Outputs. Okay, let's we need to declare it like this. Okay, what is the error here? The error is saying line number 30. Just a second. We're getting errors. Let me just check once the code. Okay, I should include a string using namespace. Substring of this. Okay, this is there. I'm passing two things. Output array and your these things are correct. Then basically I'm receiving this small substring, like receiving small output, and this part is right. This is right. Let me do this main function. String s, new string. Let's give this 1000. It's fine. You can even increase it. Int answer will just give me an answer s by passing value s and your output. Next is for int I equal to, sorry, it should be 0. I less than answer I plus plus. It should be fine. Print output. Sorry, again we need to put the 5 out. Okay, and this should be 700. Fine. Now we should see the example answer. Okay, so let's put the c in the value as abc. Okay, so abc. What are we expecting? We're expecting null cb, and let's see what we're null cb, bc, a, ab, ac, and abc. Okay, so see, actually null is here. Okay, null is here. Null b, b, bc, a. Okay, so let's not print it here. These are main things here. Let's give it a new line. This will make things more clear. Okay, so let's print like this. So better. So let me give here my. Okay, see, first an empty string, that means empty, then c, then b, then bc, then a, ac, ab, and abc. Let's see how we're getting this answer. Okay, till I think it's fine. Okay, till I think it's fine. See, this size, if you can even increase by 1, doesn't matter, because only 8 thing is that we require, right? So it's just fine when you do this also. And let's give something like a b c d. Okay, so for this, these are the substrings. Okay, so let's take the example for abc. Okay, we'll take the example for abc. So for abc, let's take the example here itself. Okay, so let me run it and then we'll see how we're getting these things. Okay, so abc. That's it. Okay, so let me be sure. Okay, so clear. Great. If you see properly, I came with a string abc, and this is the output. Okay, still now it's empty. Till now it's empty. I'm like, hey, is the size right now? Is it equal to 0? No, since it's string, so we can actually determine the size. The size is actually 3. It's not empty, so okay, like great. Go and call substring. That means like, okay, go and call on bc. I'm like, okay, let me go and call on bc. BC came, and then is BC size empty? No. Again to call on C. Is C is empty? No. Afterwards an empty string will be given. So an empty string will be given here. Okay. Empty string will be given like, okay, I'm empty. So since I'm empty, just at output of 0, put this empty. So now at output of 0, okay, let's say this is gonna be the empty thing. Okay, at output of 0, the 0 index. Okay. Next return 1. Return 1 means whatever is the size. Okay, so 1 has been returned. Now I'm like, okay, go from I equal to 0 till whatever is the size, and do I plus plus, and actually put at this value I plus size. That means what is the size? 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So it put at output of 1. Output of 1, what value? Whatever is s of 0. Okay, right now we are, see, let me change the color to be better. we were getting this right. So empty returned me answer 1. So now C is saying that hey, S of 0 is basically C. So C plus what is at output of I? Output of I is null, so it's just this 2 will be there. Okay. Afterwards it will tell me hey, return me 2 into small size. So small size value was 1, now 2 will be returned to it. So 2 will be returned from here. Okay, let me remove this part so it makes sense. So 2 got removed here, and from this part we got answer is 2. Right? Great. Now 2 is the answer, and see output array, this is the first index, this is 0 index. Now here I'm receiving, when this is gonna be the string, I'm receiving here as answer is 2. Okay, saying that 2 is the answer till now. Okay, go till 2, and at I of 0, okay, sorry, at I plus small size, that means at index 2, put which value? S of 0 plus output of I. S of 0 is gonna be, right now is B, so B plus empty, so B, it will be B. Okay, again size will be plus plus. Okay, size will be plus plus once again, since its size is 2. So first I did it with a 0. Okay, 0 is great. Afterward 1, so 1 plus small size is gonna be 3. At index 3, put what value? First of all, put S of 0. S of 0 is B, and output of I is basically, I means at index 1, so at index 1 C is written. That's the reason I was actually getting this as my output. BC was been returning me this, and it got returned as this. So BC is returning me this part of the array. Okay, I hope this here is fine. Okay, now coming at the end, you are saying this size that you're getting here is 4. Okay, because 2 into small size will be returned. Small size was 2, now 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, now let's go till 4. So first of all, I 0. So I plus small answer size. What is size? 4. So at index 4, put the value of S of 0 plus input of I. Input of I means input of 0. So at input of 0 you have empty plus S of I is A. So put A. At index 5, what you need to put? You need to put, when I will be plus plus, at index 5 you're going to put S of 0. S of 0 plus, what is the output of 1? So output of 1 is C. So put AC. So that's the reason we're getting AC. Okay. Okay, till is fine. Till here I think we have fine. C is here, B is here, BC is here, A is here, and even AC is clear. Okay, now next is basically A++. So at index 6, what will be getting? Whatever is at value A, okay, put that A plus what is at index 2. So at index 2, what is the value? B, because the value is getting increased from 0, 1, now 2. Okay, so index 2 value is B, so put value AB. Okay, at index 7, put whatever is basically at 3 plus small size, that means at 7. Put at 7, what value? A plus at index 3, whatever has been kept. So at index 3, BC has been kept, so ABC will be kept here. That's the reason we're printing ABC. I hope this function is clear, right? Simple, right? Simple, I guess, right? So just go through once again, okay, because somehow it might take some time, okay, but just realize that this driven part you are gonna do after the code only. Before that, just assume that you're gonna get the answer. Okay, make sense? After that, do your part. Okay, after that you return 2 into size. Right now size was 4, so 2 into 4 was returned, and you return that to the main function. It was being returned to main function. Okay, so let me just create this part. It was returned to main function, and main function returned here 8. 8 was returned here, so I'm printing it from 0 index to 7 index. Okay, and afterwards I'm getting whatever answers we saw. Okay, so I hope this part is clear. Okay, I hope this part is clear. So let me just again run it once again for ABC. Okay, so first empty, then ABC, then first empty, then C, then B, then BC, B, AC, AB, and ABC. I hope this part is clear. Okay, so in the next video let's see some more things. Okay, so see you guys. Okay.